Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Updates channel here with me, Roberto speaking, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Airbus A330-300 that flew to Xiamen this morning. So this aircraft, Beijing, not Xiamen. So this aircraft took off at 12:59 or midnight in Hong Kong local time at the southern runway. Then landed at Beijing Capital Airport at exactly 3:46 a.m. local time in Beijing. So this aircraft took off. She took her flight number 639 or 40. Great circle distance of 1,987 kilometers. Actual flight time of 2 hours and 47 minutes. And a chuck of 295 degrees as you can see it here. So she's actually the first LB bird to be shifted to Cathay Dragon, which was formerly called Dragonair that time. Which was actually Dragonair at that time. And I hope she doesn't stay longer. She returned to Cathay Pacific in October 2020 and she got repainted in December 2020 because of the closure of Cathay Dragon because of the COVID-19 pandemic, effective 20th of October in the 2020. So, for the details of Bravo Lima Bravo Delta, and she's registered Bravo Lima Bravo Delta. Yeah, kindly check the previous video about the details of Bravo Lima Bravo Delta on planespotters.net or check the description video. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more coming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Manico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys and see you in the next